Namaste. Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to the We Care Show. So, yes, we are back with a bang, and this time we have a very, very interesting guest with us. Somebody of a totally different genre from what we've heard till now. So, it'll be a lot of fun. Lots and lots of fun. Yes, so for people who are joining us and have started joining us, let me just introduce what We Care is all about. We Care is an initiative which basically started off to build hope and trust in people of hospitality industry. And obviously, like you see, it is anchored by Suril and me, who are hospitality consultants. So yes, it was meant for hospitality initially, and it developed to grow into entrepreneurs, professionals, experts, visionaries who had their visions and thoughts for their industries post and during lockdown. So yes, we are taking it further, and it is a lot of fun talking with so many people. We have had some really, really interesting people till date.
Yeah, and by the way, today is our 12th episode, and it's gonna be the 19th speaker on We Care Talk series.
Wow!
So all different people, different genres of profession have been here talking and giving positivities on social media and definitely to the fraternity. So it all started with Dilip Bhai of Gopi Group,
yes.
And it was no looking back where we had all amazing people like Narendra Bhai, we had Samir Sinha, we had Baiju Bhai, we had some amazing influencers, and there were all sorts of people
yes.
from all different fraternities.
Yes, totally.
So now also the markets have opened. As I told in my earlier video, even the restaurants have started, and
oh yes, thank God, it's like a breather, I'll tell you.
Correct, and also the work has begun, but still there is a little pessimism, or people are still waiting and watching, and taking a step at a time. But I'm sure markets are gonna be normal very soon.
Yes,
and people are getting geared up that everything is gonna be normal, and people just want to plunge in with their businesses,
right.
And they just want to get back to work with the same speed as it was before the lockdown.
Totally.
So we will be having today a wonderful person from a very different, or maybe otherwise that particular sector which is always with us in our routine, but we sometimes haven't focused on it properly, or haven't given due. The person who is gonna be online is sorry for the glitch a little. The person who's gonna be online is Samir Shah of JBS Group of Companies. He is there. Let us get him. Let us get him in. I think he'll be here in any moment. We are just trying to connect him.
Is this Samir Bhai? You were calling.
We are just waiting for Samir Bhai to get in. Samir Bhai.
Sure, I'll let you. Don't worry.
Yeah, he's there, right here.
Sorry, as usual, those initial glitches of adding and subtracting. Maths कहीं पे भी आ जाता है.
Yeah, it's the fun or positive or negative of social media, that there are little glitches, and that's the fun part of it.
Yes.
So it looks like home.
Yeah. Okay, so he's here, and let us welcome him on board. No answer from the live video guest. Okay, Samir Bhai, we see you online, so you will.
Okay, I will add you. 1 minute, one moment.
Okay, till then, again, We Care has been proactive. Luckily, yes, the two of us. So basically, I'm trying to praise my own selves. And it's been proving me proactive in talking to a lot of industries, talking a lot of people about this lockdown, the scenario, during and post lockdown. How have businesses performed? What are their visions? Have their particular industries been affected, not affected? So yes, so on and so forth. It has been a very, very interesting journey till date, and Okay, sorry, but we are seeing Samir bhai there and we're just waiting for him to come in. Okay, so till he comes in,
No, he runs a very interesting company, and he's into a very interesting profession we all need to know about. And we have, as I told you, we have kind of ignored that particular sector. And it's a very interesting sector, and it will be very interesting to know about Samir bhai and his profession.
Honestly, I'll tell you, Surya, the fun is, when I heard that Samir bhai is into logistics, the first question that comes to me is that import export kare chhe? So I don't know, I probably thought about import export. Somebody must have thought about transport between state. Somebody else must have thought about something else. So this
Samir, are you watching us? If you are watching, then you have to send us an invite, because I cannot invite you. Somehow there is a glitch happening.
Okay,
you have to send us an invite.
Give them a call again.
He is not being seen on our friend list, but he is calling us. So let's get him in, because we have a lot of questions for him and this sector, and we want him in for sure.
Let us all say hello to Mummy. Hi, thank you for joining. Bela
Umesh Chef is online.
Thank you for joining. Chef, कैसे हो? हालचाल कैसे?
Parul Doshi.
Thank you for joining. Yes, JBS Academy. Thank you so much.
JBS Academy, call your boss that we are waiting for him to get him online. We are waiting for him.
Request. Can you just log out and then log in again, please? Thank you. Yes, so Bhavik bhai, thank you for joining. Arpit bhai, lovely. Okay, in the meantime, I also would want to say that people from different industries have joined us, because initially we targeted and focused only on food and beverage.
Because we being from restaurant industry, and we being restaurant consultants, we had our network.
We can only think of those things. But so we have been calling them, but luckily we have got a lot of requests from other industries as well. So when we so even for you all who are watching, if you think you have something really nice to put through, you have something to say, आपको कुछ कहना है, कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं,
some innovation which you have done, and some interesting thing which you want to share
करनी है आपको, तो definitely हमें message करें. हमारा you have our Facebook ID, so it is Suril Udeshi, that's him, and Chaitali Udeshi, that's me. You can message us on our IDs. You can send message on the messenger or something. So do get in touch with us, and we will try our best to put you through. So you will be heard, and we will also want to hear a lot of interesting thoughts. We will want to hear things that are Shaishav bhai, wow, it is so good to see you. Good to thank you for joining.
Shaishav, stay here. There's gonna be a wonderful session of logistics which you might be interested in.
Yes.
And we are just waiting for our beloved guest.
Yes.
Samir bhai to join in. I think he is facing a little glitch.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Thoda bahut to, everything it just goes on. It's a very normal thing. So yes, do let us know, and try to share these videos to as many people, because that
Samir
is
bhai, we are just waiting for you. We are online, and a lot of people are waiting to watch you. Where are you? Yes, finally. Don't go away. Don't go away.
Okay, on. That's fantastic. Chalo, I think let's see.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. How are you?
Finally.
I'm fine. I'm sorry about the whole thing. Yeah, I'm good to go.
It is, thanks to Mark Zuckerberg, he hasn't kept this so perfect. But that's the fun part of it.
Yeah. So anyway, I hope you can see us, or hope you can hear us fine.
Very well. Absolutely.
Fantastic, Samir.
So I was just talking about your industry, that otherwise through when we are in any industry, we are working so closely with logistics sector, but it is a bit ignored, or people know less about it.
Totally.
Right.
So when you are here, let me introduce you all who are watching us. My mom and Harshil Chhatbar, Jigisha, Parul Doshi, and there are a lot many people who have already joined. So let me introduce you. He is the tycoon of logistics sector. He is a logistician, Mr. Samir Shah of JBS Group of Companies.
Fantastic.
Yeah, Samir Bhai represents JBS and is into the industry since now more than 37 years. And his company is as old as young as 63 years whopping.
Wow. So, but you don't look 63. How come your company is so old, sir?
How many accolades he has achieved in a very short span of time when we even don't know properly about logistics. I have made a list which I have gone through on the internet, and a few of my research shows that he is a recipient of a rare WCO, World Custom Organization Certificate of Merit.
Wow.
He has achieved Friend of Port of Antwerp, which is a rare certificate which he has got from the government of Antwerp. He has got Glory of Gujarat, probably, if I'm not wrong, from Economic Times, Trailblazer in Logistics, Best Logistics Teacher, Game Changer in Logistics Mentor, to
How
name a
long
few.
does this go on? Yeah,
It's
If
okay.
I
It's all
use
right.
this,
No, no,
yeah,
It's
no.
all
I
right.
have to
no, no,
say.
it is very interesting to all of you to know that logistics sector is as great a sector as any other sector, like a medical profession or engineering profession or chartered accountant. I was studying when I was taking Samir Bhai online. So before 3 4 days, I was just reading this on the internet. It is a detailed and a in-depth subject. Samir Bhai, if I am not wrong, you have addressed so many conferences, more than 400 conferences you have attended and spoke for logistics, freight forwarding, and supply chain. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's
Yeah.
going on,
Wow.
and it's
It's
fun.
It's
going
going
on.
on.
It might be this 401th thing which you are communicating about logistics. Samir Bhai has written a lot of books on his subject, on customs, on logistics and supply chain. So people should know, what
Yeah,
Samir Bhai is
yeah.
all about. બધા લોકોને like me, I had always known you as a foodie કે જે ખાવામાં માને છે ને એના સ્ટાફને અને એના ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સને સરસ પાર્ટીઝ થ્રો કરીને જમાડવા માંગે છે. So I have made some research about you. He has designed curriculums JBS for JBS Academy of
Okay.
Logistics and Supply Chain.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and he continues his pursuit of logistics education, women empowerment, and social equalization. Whopping! It's amazing to
Fantastic.
know that.
So that's like a profile to die for, man. I mean, I wish I did so much,
And Samit Bhai, otherwise he's born and brought up in Mumbai,
Okay.
and made his career in Ahmedabad. He calls Ahmedabad as his karma bhumi,
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
and he's as you can see, he's a proud husband of Bharti
Lovely
Shah.
artist. Yes.
She's an artist by profession, and she does her work amazingly well, and a proud father of two doctor daughters. Yeah,
Oh,
and
wow.
yeah, they are doing
Okay.
great. One is a dermatologist and one is a dentist, if I'm not wrong.
Right.
Correct.
Absolutely.
And a smart son-in-law who is setting his footsteps in logistics business as well. He
Right.
is an amazing
Absolutely.
family man, and he has 4 dogs at his house, and
Fantastic.
that keeps his house going on and rocking.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Welcome to We Care Talk once again, Samir bhai.
Okay, thank you so much. I think
Jordan.
that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But before we
For
start,
some.
before
Yeah.
we start, Surel, I must tell your viewers that I think it was 15 or 16 years back that somehow I came to know about Surel Udeshi and I had to throw a party. So I just spoke to him on the phone. Atla Lokoche, this is what is to be done, and you please come and do whatever you want to do. And when he came and he was doing everything, I asked one of the guys, "Ke bolo chikno kaun the?" And he was looking so good.
Okay.
He
Oh,
was
wow.
looking
That's
so
amazing.
good. I couldn't believe, I thought that if he's so well groomed, he's looking so well, I don't
Wow.
need to worry about anything else. And
Thank you very much.
I must also admit that whenever I've spoken to him, he speaks so fondly about his sister, about Chaitali. I think that's amazing.
Thank you.
And
Fantastic.
You made my day.
and Chaitali, I did some research. I hear you are a very good table tennis player.
Yes,
I was given
very
to
good, I don't
understand
know,
that
but yes, I'm
Chaitali
a
plays
table tennis.
table tennis.
Yes, a little bit.
Yeah, and
Thank you
I
so much.
must say that somebody was asking me in the office today, ke Ajay Sanjay, I said I only have one word for that lady who's going to talk to me, and that would be effervescent. You know, I said she's so full of life and she's so much shouting and enjoying
Oh,
everything. I said her
wow.
energy is
Thank you
very
so much.
infectious. You know.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
thank
yeah.
you, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you very
But
much.
sir, just to start, before we start this whole conversation, I had a small stint with trading, and that was like I worked for 1.5 years with Noble Group of companies, and we used to import and export, obviously, coal and coke. So, which was in like 40,000 metric ton sizes, and that is all the trading that I know in my life. So, I don't know anything beyond it. So, we have so much more to talk,
No, but
about
that's enough.
logistics.
That's enough.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
yeah, yeah.
not enough.
So
Yeah.
great, yeah. So, sir, what is logistics? To start with, I'm always confused. What is logistics? So, what is logistics
We
really?
are
In your words.
uh, very simple. Logistics is just getting goods from one place to another at the right
Correct.
time, at the right price, in the right condition to the right person. But to put it
Right.
very easily for you, what was our biggest worry at the lockdown? That am I going to get milk? Am I going to get vegetables? Am I going to get
Yeah.
medicines? The government made it very easy that yes, these commodities are going to be available and they can move. But who moved them?
You're right.
It was the
Exactly.
logistician who moved them. And somewhere in the whole game, we all forgot that, oh, there is this whole class of people who are
Yes.
going out, who do not know what the coronavirus is. They have zero idea. They are being monitored by a set of good people who are still learning corona. These guys go
Yeah.
home to their wives and kids, and we forgot them somewhere. I think
Yes.
the
Yes.
it took the Prime Minister
Yes.
of India also nearly 60 days, 45, 55 days, if I'm not wrong, to say on national television supply chain. So I think
Yeah.
logistics is a very integral part of your and my life. And for Surel
Absolutely.
specifically, your Zomato and Swiggy are logistic companies. They are not food delivery
Totally.
companies. So all your
Totally.
True.
e-com
Totally.
that is happening, sometimes do we ever wonder that when in the good day old days, I could walk down to a vegetable vendor, did it ever occur to me that from how did these vegetables come on the cart? When I went to a
Hmm.
shopping mall, how did the
Hmm.
clothes come on the racks? So that
True.
Yes.
is
Totally.
logistics for all of
Totally.
you. So that is logistics.
Super.
So it covers
Amazing. Amazing.
everything.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Government of India,
Yes, you have
just one
covered a
minute,
lot of
Surel,
details.
for the bene- for the benefit of for the benefit of the viewers, the government of India has also divided logistics into 12 verticals. So it's a
I
huge
see.
field. There's so much science in it, so many principles, so many laws, so many rules, so many
Right.
regulations, so many do's, don'ts. It's not just કે કાર્ગો ઉપાડીને અહીંયાથી અહીંયા મૂકી દીધો, ટોલ વાળાને પૈસા
Right.
આપી દીધા, કસ્ટમ્સમાં મેનેજ કરી લીધું. No, it is not that. It's much more
Right.
than that. We spend our whole lives in reading up and studying logistics. So that
My
is
God.
Great. Great.
logistics for
Wow.
all of you. It's a
I
great
heard
place
your
to.
TEDx speech, and I got to know that you are into the logistics, and before that you were a custom officer. So
Wow.
can you share your journey from
No, no, no.
a student to this with as a partner of JBS company, and you have to share some anecdotes. And few of them you shared on TEDx speech, but that were not enough, I guess. They're very interesting to know.
First of all, I was never a custom officer. There's some confusion.
Okay.
Oh.
A lot of people have this confusion. I'm second
Okay.
generation. This company was
I
started by
see.
my father. So I'm
Okay.
second generation. I was born into a family of logisticians. Okay, but I
Wow.
came here. I think I just came here because Biju Kasu Natu, so I came here. Typical Guju boy in his 20s. Kasu Nati to papa ne company ma join thai javanu. That's how it
But
started.
you definitely look like a custom officer, and maybe
The strict one, yeah.
that arrogant and a very disciplined kind of a custom officer, I should say.
My, I am sure if any custom guy is listening, he's not going to like the word arrogance over there. But yes, they can be very, very arrogant. So coming back to your question,
Yes.
my father was one of the guys who contributed to writing of the original Customs Act. So there was a lot of burden.
I see.
Okay, if you want to join my company, you have to be very good. If you are not going to be very good, I'm not going to leave my company to you. So even though at home he was a very benevolent father, in the office he was a terror, and believe me, if I wanted to meet my father, I had to meet him after I had my bath and everything at 6:30 in the morning. I had to reach office before him. I left office after him, but it was a great learning, and I think
Wow.
those few years I got with my father, and after that with my brother in Bombay, was the amazing portion. It's been around
Great.
37 years now for me. This has been the only thing I've done. But I did have great opportunities to do a lot of things. I've done dance,
Fantastic.
I've done drama, I've done movies, I've done television,
Wow.
everything during my student life. I think practically
Wow.
Amazing.
everything
But
other. Yeah, Chaitali. So
yeah, I just want to say, I saw your couple of pictures and you look very handsome. I must say, you
my
look one
my.
of those really
Uh,
good-looking men.
but a
Few,
lot of this credit goes to my daughters and to my wife. I must
Wow.
say that more than me, a lot of the
Wow.
credit goes there. They
I'm
will
sure they're
always say,
feeding
"Ke
you
amazing.
really
aake
well.
I anyway, coming back to what you asked me, I was in Bombay. Then I had the good opportunity of studying in Austria, which is
Wow.
interesting because I studied in German. There was no English over there. I worked in
Okay.
Austria. I worked in Germany. I came back, and then things happened, and I landed up in Ahmedabad. So that's where I am. General public still don't know what we do. A lot of my cousins and relatives don't know what we do, and
Okay.
my daughter is going to kill me for this. But when she was in school, the word used in those days was clearing agent. And somebody asked her in
Yes.
school, the teacher asked her in school, and she said, "My father is a clearing agent." And the teacher wondered, "Ke Amanas, what cleaning is this man doing that his daughter is coming in a car with a driver?" And
Oh my
believe me,
God.
they actually asked this question. Another interesting, another interesting thing I must tell you: general public believes, hey, you guys deal in cargo. You all don't know. You all give a lot of bad words. You all don't. You all deal with drivers, laborers. My neighbor, the great chartered accountant, Mr. Sunil Talati, I had called him for a meeting once. We had a meeting and we were discussing how to take Gujarat forward, how to make Gujarat the
Wow.
gateway of India. And at the end of the meeting, he stands up and says, "I never knew that you guys could be so articulate. You guys could be so
Wow.
well read.
Wow.
You guys could be so
Wow.
well dressed, well groomed. And I have not attended such a formal, nice meeting in years together in Ahmedabad." So, I think the public
Amazing.
Wow.
image of the logistician is something very, very different than what we actually are. So that is what it
I
is.
totally
Great.
kind
So
of
I've had a
agree.
great
Yes,
journey.
yes.
Yeah,
But
Fantastic.
I
yeah.
just
In fact,
heard in one of the conversations and speech of yours, made probably in EMS speech, where there was one custom officer, a smart looking one, and you had some affair with him, and a small anecdote which you should share on this platform as well. It was quite interesting.
Surel, affair, my wife will kill me. I didn't have an affair with
Oh
him.
no, 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 not that affair. Not
Business
another
affair.
affair.
Business affair.
No, no, no. But I am eternally grateful to that man. His name was Mr. Tiwari. He was about 6 feet plus, 130 kilos. And if you've
Wow.
seen the movies, if you see the movies of the 50s and the 60s and the 70s, they always showed government officers as very uncouth, corrupt, bad people. That's how they showed them, you
Right.
know. And I
Right.
must admit, this was way back in 1983, 84. And this man was like that. Nobody would go near him, nobody would mess with him. Huge guy, very uncouth, very rude, used the best of the or the worst of the languages that you can ever hear. And here I was young, 23 years. I went to the custom house for some work. I was working at the entry level. You know, entry level is somebody just a clerk whose job is to go table to table and get signatures
Right.
and move papers and things like that. And this man suddenly tells me, "Ja mere liye coffee leke aa." And
Yeah.
I was aghast. You know, I said, my dad never spoke to me like
Mhm.
this. Nobody ever speaks like this to me. And I must admit, I was shaking, I was shivering, I was afraid, but I said, no, I will not go and get the coffee. So I told him, I said, sir, I can't get you a cup of coffee. Of course, I was scared. I was very humble. I was very submissive. And the
Yeah.
words just came out. And the look on his face was that, how dare you behave like this? I'm privileged. It's your job to keep me privileged. But all he did was he said, bet, bet. And I sat down in front of him. He got somebody else to get some coffee. He gestured to me, pillow, pillow. And after what seemed a very long time, he looks at me, he puts his pen down, his entire body language changed. He was so soft, he was so elderly, so
Wow.
benevolent. And he told me कि in Hindi that बेटा
Hmm.
आज मना किए हो जिंदगी भर मना करना.
Oh
Today you have refused.
wow.
Today you've
Oh
refused a
wow.
bureaucrat. Today you've refused a bureaucrat on his table. आप जिंदगी भर उसको रिफ्यूज करना. मगर रिफ्यूज करने
Fantastic.
के लिए how do you refuse? You can only refuse if you know what you are doing. You can only
Wow.
refuse if you know what I am doing. If you can only refuse
Fantastic.
if you know why all of this is happening. And
Hmm.
why are government officers privileged? Why do public at large may keep us privileged? Because you don't know what I'm doing. You don't know why I'm doing. And I take
Right.
advantage of the fact that you don't know what I am supposed to be
Yes.
doing. So as long as you
Right.
know why, you will be able to stand up to me and tell me, sir, ये ऐसे नहीं होता है. And then
Amazing.
he told me something else. And he said, agar you learn the why, please go out and teach everybody also. Because I want to see
Wow.
Wow.
hundreds of youth like you telling us no. We are such
Superb.
privileged
Wow.
people. So this actually was one of my life's biggest experiences professionally, where a person can tell you, behave differently with me, I will behave differently with you. You
Superb.
know.
Amazing.
And
Yes.
i
Yes.
must i must admit that I we had another family, a very senior officer. Out of courtesy, I invited him home for dinner. He came home for dinner, and then after a few days I went to meet him, and he asked me कि तुम पागल हो कि तुम ऐसे ही हो. So I said, sir, I didn't understand. I said, sir, I didn't understand. True, right here in Ahmedabad. Right here in Ahmedabad. He said, he said, you invited me home. You didn't come to pick me up. You just sent the address through your man के सर को जाके ये लिफाफा दे दो. My wife and I came over there. You didn't offer us a return gift. We are so used to being picked up and dropped. We have to be given a return gift. You didn't give us a
Okay.
return gift. And
Okay.
I was like, sir, I invited you home for dinner. I didn't
Yeah.
know I'm supposed to do all of this.
Do all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
And he said, Samir, just stay how you are. we
Super.
really
Thank
appreciate,
God.
no, Chaitali, he had a very nice thing to say. He said, Samir, me and my wife really appreciated what you all did. One, you all treated us with a lot of respect. You treated us with a lot of warmth. I also noticed your wife sending a plate to my driver for his dinner. You all were
Okay.
respectful and you behaved very nicely with us. But
Super.
most importantly, you behaved normally with us.
Thank God.
Whereas
Yeah.
as a bureaucrat, all I'm listening the whole day is, साहब कर दो मैं पैसे दू दूंगा, साहब कर दो मैं ये कर दूंगा, साहब ये कर दो.
True.
We don't get
True.
respect. We don't get respect. And that is what you gave
True.
us, you know. So a few such incidences have really
My
been,
God, but that's very touching.
And guts
yeah.
જોઈએ એમાં.
Yeah,
કારણ
that's
કે
very
કામ
touching.
કઢાવવા માટે people are often
પણ એ
let's find
વખતે તો
shortcut and there is the only way out.
no, it never occurred to me
Please.
that I should do this, you know. I think it was just, and my wife was also very cooperative. She said it's normal, we don't have to do anything. આપણે એમને જમવા બોલાવ્યા એનથી વધારે શું રિસ્પેક્ટ આપીએ, you know. And she's a
I
very
know.
good
No,
cook, so
but
she
that's
would
beautiful.
cook herself. She would cook it herself, you know.
Wow.
So it wasn't ke servant
Sir, I'm coming home. Huh?
anytime,
I'm coming to your
anytime.
place.
It's great. So before moving to another question, Chaitanya has a question for you. We will like to tell the viewers that we are with Samir Bhai Shah of JBS
Yes.
Group of Companies. He is a logistician and he is a freight forwarder and is into supply chain business. So
Yes.
a lot of people have joined recently. Hemant Bhai is online, Malay Bhai is online, Hemal Bhai of at Mango Restaurant, he is also online. Then there are a lot of people. Sir, your friends are also online, it seems. Nidhi Vyas, she is online, and Tejal Mukherjee is online. So there are a lot of people watching you. So so I think it's getting
Yeah.
interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so
You
much.
know, moving forward, sir, you know, your industry, you just recently mentioned that, you know, there's this particular industry that kind of lost its presence felt in the normal market. So during lockdown, how has your industry been, you know, of importance?
Okay, see, first of all, you must recognize one thing, that the first time a human being picked up an item and walked from one place to another, that was the beginning of logistics. So we have been around for times immemorial. Okay, we can very safely say that we are the oldest profession in the world. Then comes the lockdown specifically. I want you to appreciate one thing, that India as a country exports and imports around 42,000 consignments every day. And
Whoa.
these 42,000 consignments every day are handled by what is known as the licensed custom broker. During the lockdown, there was not a single day when we were not working. During the lockdown, customs was working, the custom broker was working, we were attending to the clearances. We have so many people across the country who handled every essential item, every pharma item, every COVID item free of cost, even for the government and for the private players. So we were an industry which was roaring to go. We didn't know what the corona was, we didn't know what safeguards to take, but we worked right through the corona. What also happened was that the government of India, specifically Ministry of Finance, that is customs, brought in huge number of facilitation measures. What is a facilitation measure? It's something which makes life easy. So the amount of changes that we saw in the last 3 months is what we hadn't seen for at least 7 or 8 years before that. And India is now a world leader in digitization and facilitation as far as custom custom clearances are concerned. All of this happened during the lockdown. All of this
Super.
happened
Wow.
during the lockdown. And
And sir,
of
is
course,
it easy? Is it easy to handle?
it is very simple. It is basically a domain industry. See, there are two ways in which you work in an industry. Surel, you are also running restaurants. Either you serve very good food or you maintain very good relations with your customers. Right?
Correct.
So if you
I am
maintain
asking
very
in
good
terms.
relations,
I am asking in context of digitalization. So is
that's what I'm
digitalization
explaining
which
to you.
has
That's what I'm
happened?
explaining.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
Okay.
explaining to you.
Perfect.
So when you maintain good relations, we call it a relationship management profession. When you serve
Right.
good food, we call it a domain driven industry. That is, you know your domain, you
Right.
understand your domain, and you work it. So with the digitization, the domain knowledge has suddenly become very important. The computer doesn't have a brain. The computer doesn't have a brain.
Absolutely.
The computer has to be fed in something,
True.
it will process it. So as long as
Correct.
I feed in correct data, my processes are going to happen. There is nobody who can
Perfect.
stop my process. Yeah,
Stop
there
it.
is nobody
True.
whose
Okay.
mood is involved, whose health is involved, whose personal
Nothing.
problems are involved. So digitization is one great thing that can happen. Another
Super.
interesting
Fantastic.
thing which happened is that whether it was the finance minister, it was the civil aviation minister, it was the commerce minister or the shipping minister, they created WhatsApp groups where they were members.
Wow.
Of course,
Okay.
they selected 15, 20 people across the country to be part of that group, and we would
Super.
talk about the smallest of the problems,
Were
and
you part of
we
the group?
ensured that cargoes moved. I'm in part of at least around 11 of such groups, but we ensured
Okay.
Wow.
that everything moves. The
Awesome.
biggest takeaway of the corona was that fruits and vegetables from the northeast, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, which you and I had never eaten, will now be
Right.
available across the country. So it's not
Oh
just
Great.
wow.
internationally, even nationally.
Wow.
Even the
Okay.
Kashmir apple growers
Apples.
benefited a lot during the corona because of this logistic industry and the intervention of the senior bureaucrats, whether it was logistic industry, it was customs, it was civil aviation. I think somewhere the government needs to pat their back and tell public at large, okay, we did this also. They're not saying it,
Super.
they're not doing it, but they should be doing
Hmm.
that. It's been very,
But
Amazing.
very,
honestly, yes, honestly,
no, it
big
has been a
claps to
great,
all the
this thing.
logistics. It was, yeah, you worked hard. Plus,
True, true.
India being taking care of so many shipments, or not just
Yeah,
shipments, logistical
and to the viewers, I'd like to
consignments.
tell
Yeah.
that once I was talking to Samir Bhai and he said that when the lockdown started, after the Janta curfew got over and the lockdown started, from the next day, most of the businesses were shut and people started to cook their own food and cleaning their houses. But from the next day itself, logistics and logisticians were back to their office in the
That's what
same
you just
routine,
said.
the same office
Amazing.
time.
Yeah,
Am I right?
Absolutely.
that's amazing, sir.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
And
So,
in addition, every logistic association in the country, whether it was transport, it was warehousing, it was freight forwarding, it was customs, have done phenomenal social work. Phenomenal amounts of
amazing.
Amazing.
monies have been collected, phenomenal work as food distribution, driver shortages and other things. I think it's a sad thing that
Super.
the corona happened, but it's going to change the face of the logistics sector.
Hmm.
It is going to change the face of the logistics sector.
Definitely.
Amazing.
So,
So it's been a great
Amazing.
you
journey.
discussed about a lot of
Yeah.
quite some changes happened during this
Huge.
lockdown with your industry. So, I mean, like, minister making WhatsApp groups and you getting digitalized,
Yeah.
I mean, your industry. So, do you think that the changes which happened is gonna last, or were they temporary during the lockdown phase and they are gonna go away?
Irreversible. Irreversible.
Wow,
The
that's good,
Amazing. I
great.
logisticians,
think that's super.
this is the first time in India that I am seeing that the government, that is the politicians, want digitization to happen. The bureaucrats
Awesome.
want it to happen, and the private sector
Okay.
wants it to happen. So when three
Super.
people who are involved all want it to happen, it is irreversible. You cannot be
Yes,
talking of
Great.
changing
it
it.
will happen.
It's going to
So
Yes,
remain
I think it is
irreversible.
a great public-private partnership which has actually happened.
yes,
Yes, yes. In fact,
yes.
India, I must tell you, I go to World Custom Organization and people come up to you and ask you, you're from India, I want to ask you this question. You're from India, how do you all do this in
Wow,
India? It's an amazing experience. It's a big high
wow.
for you as an Indian that Americans,
Yeah,
Europeans, Australians, Chinese come and ask you, hey, how do you all did this? How did you all manage this? How did you all figure it
Super.
out? It's a
wow.
great thing. We must recognize
Great.
that there are good things also happening with this government.
Awesome. So
Definite.
there are few NRIs also watching, and in the afternoon we were discussing with few people that sometimes it is digital India and a lot of things already happen with different sectors, but sometimes it has not worked that great. But in your
Yeah.
case, it has worked wonders. That is awesome and it is commendable.
Yes,
Yeah, but
yes.
I
It
must
has taken a
also,
leap.
I must also say that yes, importers and exporters did have difficulty during the coronavirus. They did have
Sure.
trouble because the banks were not working. Maybe some other agency was not working. Maybe the papers did not come. But the government
Right.
did try to make people's life
Handle it.
as easy as possible. But there were difficulties. It
But it's
wasn't all
amazing.
honky dory. It wasn't honky dory, but
Absolutely.
it was happening. People were working, things were moving. That is what happened.
So, but the
Super.
good thing is, in a country as big as ours, it not being hunky dory itself is a good thing. I'll tell you because handling the
Yes.
amount of paperwork, the amount of transactions that one shipment or one
True.
logistic goes through is huge. So right, so now coming back to living your legacy that we've been you've been propagating.
It's a little maybe out of that topic, but definitely it has some connection
Yes,
to it.
totally. So, you've been talking about this in AMA, you've been talking about this in TEDx and a lot of other places probably. So, your thoughts about, living your legacy and how you just explain it to us so that I don't have to kind of, go to the big question that we have planned.
Okay, it is something for which I have got a lot of brickbats. I've got a lot of
Uh-huh.
brickbats for it, but
Acha.
I've got much more appreciation. I've got much more satisfaction with it. It is a very simple thing when you look at it.
Yeah.
સર
Uh,
એક મિનિટ
I,
સર એક મિનિટ
uh,
એક મિનિટ એક મિનિટ આ ટોપિક ઉપર જઈને એની પહેલા ખાલી કાર્તિક ઇઝ ઓનલાઈન બંટી વખારિયા ઇઝ ઓનલાઈન સ્ટે ટ્યુન્ડ બહુ જ જોરદાર ટોપિક છે આ લિવિંગ ધ લેગસી ઉપર મેં એમને જે થોટ અને એમને જે રિસર્ચ કરી છે મેં વાંચી છે જેટલા બી વ્યુઅર્સ છે યુ શુડન્ટ મિસ
Honestly, we
ધીસ
have some really interesting
લોજિસ્ટિક્સ
people.
તો આપણો ટોપિક છે જ બટ
Ah.
લિવિંગ ધ લેગસી ઇઝ અ વેરી intriguing thought which Samir bhai has researched about. तो समीर भी वस्तु चालू કરી રહ્યા છે. Yes, please Samir bhai, please go ahead.
Academics ma Renita Handa is online and Hemant Bhai is online. Thank you for joining. Listen to this. Now I'm more keen on
Thank
listening.
you,
Now
sir.
Sunil
Thank you.
Amar.
I must thank all the viewers for taking out the time and joining in. I think my sincere appreciation to everyone who's watching, and
Yes,
my heart
yes.
reaches out to all of you. Thank you so much. See, it's like this, Chaitali, Surel, that
Yes.
I hope that meaning all of us have a lot of experiences in life. One of the most final experiences that you can have is the death of somebody. With death, everything changes. It's just a moment and everything is gone. All those years of experience, all the education, all the knowledge, everything is just gone in a moment. So we must recognize that death is the real certain final thing that can happen. When we use the word legacy, we use it in the context that after the man or the lady dies, he leaves something to other people. He may be having money, he might have left other things. So, whatever a person leaves after his demise is what we called legacy. But then, do you wait to die? Do you need to wait to die? So, and going back to what Mr. Tiwari taught me, those two thoughts put together, I told myself that what is it that I can give back? When my parents died, my brothers and myself, we made huge donations, set up two institutions, one in Bombay, one in Ahmedabad. But today, nearly 17, 18 years down the line, we feel that we should have worked on people. Why did we work on a building? Because the only lasting legacy is people. It will
Wow.
multiply and multiply and multiply. So it was this
Right.
thought which told me that what do I have that I can share? I don't have anything special. I have knowledge which everybody has. I have
Hmm.
experience which everyone has, but I'm
Hmm.
prepared to share it. I'm prepared to tell competitors, look, this is how you do it. I'm prepared to help
Wow.
people come into my industry and become my competitors. I'm prepared to help people. For me, it's very easy to walk up to somebody and ask him, कि भैया ये किया कैसे तुमने? How did you do this? And it's also very easy for me to go up to a person and tell him, why do you do it like this? You should be doing it like this. You'll find it easier. Okay, my
Hmm.
family sometimes and friends tell me sometimes, tu pagal hai kya? Why how are you concerned with what that stranger is
Hmm.
doing? તને કેમ
Hmm.
બધામાં ટાંગ અડાવવાની મન થાય છે? But the idea was that whatever I'm holding, why can I
Hmm.
not spread it in my lifetime? Why can I not share it in my lifetime? The satisfaction that
Awesome.
you
Wow.
get, the satisfaction that you get
Wow.
when parents come up to you and say, thank you, you made a difference to my child's life. When people come
Wow.
up to you in public, and in a country like India, strangers come and touch your feet and tell you thank you. I heard you 5 years back, you taught me 3 years back, you
Wow.
did this for me 20 years back, and look where I am. Lot of people have
Super.
surpassed me. Lot of people have surpassed me. Lot of
Wow.
people have economically grown way more progressive than I am because of
Super.
whatever
Hmm.
I shared with them. And I found that yes, this is the reward that I'm looking at. There are a lot of challenges. There are
Wow.
real challenges in doing this. It's not that easy. Because when you
Yeah.
go out to do these things, people look at you with apprehension. People don't trust you easily. They
Absolutely.
say, oh, he has something in up his sleeve. That is why he's doing all of this. It takes
Yes.
years for you to be able to tell people that, look, there's nothing up my sleeve. I'm just doing it because I think I have reached a stage where I feel that self actualization is the most important thing for me. Yes, it
Super.
eats up on your family time. Sometimes you feel that, oh my God, I could have earned a couple of lakhs more. I could have had a bigger holiday. I could have bought my wife some more jewelry. There are a lot of things you have to give up. There are a lot of
Right.
challenges over there, but the rewards and the compensation makes up for it. So what I
Nice.
do
Nice.
Super.
is I take out the time, I tell people whatever they need to know. I teach people. I don't really charge any money for it. I travel the world. I address conferences. It's very normal for me to even go up and tell a person कि तेरा बाल ऐसे मत बना, you comb your hair like this, it will look better. It's easy for me to tell a person कि आवा कपड़ा केम पहरिया. And that is where I think you go overboard. That is where you go a bit overboard at times. But
Great.
that is what I'm doing. There's a whole research done on it. કે શું કામ માણસ આવું કરે? How do you make it sustainable? How do you ensure that it runs after you? But then that's a whole different exercise all by itself.
Yes.
That's how
Great.
it is.
Great. So a lot of people have again newly joined. Can you summarize it a little bit in a smaller
Crux.
perspective so that the crux of living the legacy, so that people have recently joined can know about it. It was quite a discussion
Okay,
about it, but a crux.
legacy is something you generally associate with post death. And legacy is normally money and things like that. Here
Correct.
I share whatever I'm holding with me, because that whatever I'm holding with me is going to go away with my death. I can write a
Correct.
book, but how many people are going to read my book? And it's only people who go out and find the book are going to read it. So I said to myself, okay, what am I holding? Let me share with as many people as I can. Let me give this to as many people as I can. So I do a lot of talking, a lot of sharing of information, sharing of knowledge. Yes, it does have its challenges, it has its rewards, it has a lot of other things associated with it.
Correct. So in terms of living the legacy, you mean to say that you are making people more knowledgeable, people more successful, and
So you are
self-sufficient.
basically you're giving the information you
I
have.
think the
You're
correct
spreading
word,
knowledge.
no, I think the correct word would be sustainable. I'm not making them
Wow.
knowledgeable, I'm making them sustainable. I'm making them
Sustainable. Super.
self-reliant, I'm making them self-dependent.
Wow.
I'm teaching
Very
them how
nice.
to
Perfect.
fish, I'm not giving them fish to eat. That is what
Wow.
I'm doing.
Super.
Wow.
I think that makes definitely a sense, and it's a crux of living the legacy for sure.
Amazing.
So Samir bhai, you have been a businessman, a logistician, you have been a writer, and you are an award-winning professional into logistics and freight forwarding. So my next question to you is, what is the road ahead for Samir J Shah?
Okay, there are many Samir J Shahs in that sense, but for the professional person, see, I've had the good opportunity of being a national president of the Logistic Association. I represent
Wow.
India at a few international forums, but I still feel
Awesome.
that India does not give logistics the due it deserves. Logistics
Importance.
does not get the respect that it deserves. Logistics does not get that recognition. So I think I will continue working on making logistics a very accepted profession, making logistics a common word, making people recognize that
Agreed.
if that logistician is there, not there, I will not get my cargo. Even Chaitali
Yes.
orders something on Amazon. If it doesn't come, she's after that Amazon guy. Tu kahan pahunchyo? What has happened? Kare aave chhe. But does
Right.
she recognize that he's a logistician? He's a
Yes.
logistician.
Yes. You got a
He's
point.
not Amazon. He's the logistician. So that is one thing I would like to work on. Secondly, I am part of the group which worked hard to take India to this level of facilitation and digitization. We need to be world leaders over here. And India
Super.
has the ability to be a world leader over there. We have to be
Wow.
mainstream. We have to be mainstream. We have to be on top of the game. And India has it with them over there to do that. So this would be
Great.
what I'd like to do. At
Amazing.
a very
That's
personal
amazing.
level, I think I will just continue doing what I am doing. But there are a few things which I want to tell your viewers, and I assume there'll be a lot of young boys and girls also, that
Definitely.
when you do all of this, you get such a lot of adulation, you get such a lot of respect, you get such a lot of recognition. But because it is happening in the public domain, because it is happening in front of the whole world, you are going to behave yourself, you are going to behave in a particular manner. But the risk and the tendency to become arrogant, to become egoistical, to become vain is very high. It's very high. And I must admit that over the years, there have been times when I have gone off the track, and I think I've become arrogant or vain. And then it's thanks to my family members who come and tell you, hey, tu garma che, please behave yourself. You are right here. You are just one of us, which I think is what every leader needs. Every leader
Yes.
needs somebody to tell him, stay in control. Otherwise, the
I tell you,
love,
it's like government,
yeah, whatever.
government needing an
Otherwise,
opposition. It's like that.
absolutely. But otherwise, the love, the affection, the respect, the adulation that you get, it's so common for me now not because of my
Wow.
gray hair.
Wow.
Okay, at the airports, people will come and touch my feet. At theater, somebody will come and say,
Wow.
"Sir, meet my
Wow.
wife. Sir, meet my son." People will come and say, "Sir, mara
Wow.
beta na mata par haath muko." But it makes you've got to be very careful. And I would request everyone who wants to become a leader, please work hard on this. And another thing
Wow.
which I have promised myself, I don't know whether I'll be successful or not be successful, but I must tell you, we were three brothers, and it was a all male household. And when I was a teenager, we did a lot of housework. Even how to maybe make a toast, you know. So the effort is going to be to start learning all those small things again and go back to what I could
Yay!
do in my teenage days. So when Chaitali, you come in for a meal, I'll ask my wife to let me make something small for you.
Yay!
Definitely. So one thing is for sure, meal is there.
Yeah. So
Great.
that is what it is.
We are moving towards
Yeah,
making
but honestly, before we move to that the last phase of our conversation, sir, to all those viewers here who are watching us, a lot of us have children. A lot of us are of that age where we are thinking of deciding a career. A lot of us are into a career which is not liked by us and wanting to change into something. Let us look at this particular aspect as a very strong career for the future, because India stands strong here. People like Sameer Bhai are so positive, they are so articulate about what they are doing, they're so very specific about what they're doing, they know where India is heading. So I would, if I have my son to take a call on what is he going to do in the future, and if we were still thinking of making a decision, I will definitely look into logistics as a career.
Definitely. And flag bearer like Sameer Bhai is there,
Yeah.
and he has decided to give logistics due credits as good as doctors and engineers.
Yeah.
Why not?
No, definitely. It is a
But
good line.
I
I
must
have had a
also
stint and I've enjoyed it.
I must also tell you,
Yes.
it's a very good industry to be in. It pays very well. You get a lot of perks. You get a lot of glamour attached to it now, something which we didn't have when we were younger. But now this industry is also becoming very glamorous and it pays very well. Yeah, it makes you
Yes.
work,
Super.
but it
So,
pays, but it pays well.
Yes.
with this glamour thing, I just got a random question in my mind, that when you are into logistics and freight forwarding and a lot of import exports and all, so it becomes the job is like what a smuggler does unofficially, you do it officially.
Very bad comparison, I must say.
That's a
Very bad
horrible,
question also.
that's a horrible thing to say. That's a horrible thing to say.
ક્યારે કેવી ઓફર આવી છે? ક્યારે કેવી ઓફર આવી?
ના, હજુ તો નથી આવી. That's horrible.
કે અમારે કઈ મોકલવું છે?
No, nothing like that. Yeah.
એટલે ટેલ પીસમાં અમે લોકો જનરલી વી મેક ધ કન્વર્સેશન લિટલ લાઇટર, કારણ કે otherwise we discuss a lot of sense and the discussion gets a lot of
probably monotonous, it gets a little boring.
એટલે થોડું I hope that goes.
આ થોડું વધારે મરચું હતું અંદર. Boring. I didn't like the question. Sorry, let's move on.
અચ્છા, હું જનરલી અમે ફીચર કરતા હોય છે, there is a rapid fire round.
Oh God! Don't make it like Karan Johar. Please don't make it like Karan Johar. Make it easier.
I need a coffee mug if I was with Karan Johar.
So a little bit personal, little bit professional.
Okay.
And
yeah.
maybe mix
Shoot.
So are you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
So,
please shoot.
The first question goes like this. So if it was not logistics business, what would have been for Sameer Shah? What business?
I think I would have either done history or I would have been a dancer. One of the two.
Yeah.
Dancer.
Wow.
But એના માટે એક બીજું સેશન લેવું પડશે. If it was dance. So next question. Do you believe in God?
Do you believe in God?
I think I'm very spiritual. I'm afraid of myself. I would go to a temple or a mosque or a church, but it isn't that important to me. It's not that important to
Awesome.
me. I do that diya also at home on and off. Sometimes I forget. But yeah, I think I'm more afraid of my spell. Spiritual might be the correct word, not religious.
Very nice. Very
Great,
Yeah.
nice.
great.
So I
Next
think that
question
would
is
be.
when Samir Bhai is not working, what is he doing?
I think I spend a lot of my time with my wife, with my family.
Mhm.
I'm not the type of
Great.
person who goes alone for parties or who has men friends and who socialize only alone. All my free time is with my wife and family only. We love to go for
Fantastic.
movies. We love to go for movies. We used to love to go and eat outside. The lockdown, we all learnt again how to play a lot of games with each other. And now, though, even post lockdown, it's become a ritual that even at 10 o'clock, chalne be round patta nahi rami laiye. So that is what I
Super.
would
Very
do.
nice.
Yeah,
Great family
that is
time
what
for
I would
sure.
do.
Question is, the next question is, what is your favorite cuisine when you go to a world cuisine restaurant?
Uh, I didn't get your question. I didn't
Yeah.
get you.
So, what is your favorite cuisine when you go to a world cuisine restaurant?
Indian food. Indian food.
Awesome.
Believe me, I travel so much. I tell all my foreign agents, come, I'll take you to an Indian restaurant and teach you how to order Indian food. But my
Super.
favorite
I love
food would
it.
Super.
Yes.
remain my favorite food. My favorite food in India would be what my wife cooks.
Superb.
Wow.
That was a diplomatic answer. And today,
No, no, no.
evening, you will definitely get a good dinner for sure.
Saving the day, huh?
No, no, no.
So,
We've been together. We've been together more than 35 years, so we've seen everything. So it's okay.
definitely. So, when you are traveling with your wife and your family members, which is your favorite vacation destination?
I leave it to them. But actually, we rarely take a holiday. I must tell you. What we do is that I travel the world. I have so many meetings and conferences. So if even if I'm going abroad more than maybe 3 nights or 2 nights, my wife would like to come along. So we've done a
I
lot of
see.
places
Very
like
nice.
that, And then there's always a challenge, ke Goa jau, then the girls will say, "Na na, my skin will get bad. અહીંયા jau to the heat is there, અહીંયા jao to the cold is there." But generally, it happens that whenever my travels get coupled with a holiday. So, we've
Wow.
done a lot of
Very
such
nice.
holidays together. Yeah. Very rarely
Great,
we've done a
great.
pure holiday. I think very rarely we have done a pure holiday. That means no work and only a holiday.
Awesome.
That doesn't
Just a
happen so
holiday.
often.
Great.
Yeah. But then
Perfect.
again, we,
So,
we
moving
go
for
out very often. Yeah.
super. Is Bharti ji watching us?
I would assume I'm in a different room. She had promised to see
Okay.
it. So
So, I just wanted to know who is Samir Bhai's Bollywood crush, all-time favorite
Dun, dun,
actress.
dun. Today he's
I
coming up
would
with just the
assume.
wrong question, Samir bhai.
No, 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 it's not the wrong question. Then I must tell you, there was an anecdote which I was tempting not to share with you, but then let me
Okay.
share it with you all. When I was in my final year of college, we participated in an intercollegiate dance competition, and my
Mhm.
college won the gold medal.
Okay.
Okay,
Wow.
we won the gold medal. I was the lead dancer, and one of the dancers at the back was Madhuri Dixit.
Awesome.
So she would remain my.
Oh my God.
Superb.
Okay.
That's
Wow.
great. That's great. Moving further, what did you cook during the lockdown?
Me,
Partly it was answered, but still,
nothing, nothing, nothing.
nothing. Not
Only,
even that
only,
dal chona
only
coffee.
morning tea. Only morning tea. Only morning
You
tea.
make good
Very
tea.
nice.
I
Very
don't know.
nice.
My wife tolerates it 365 days, so I assume
Ah.
it's possible.
પણ
I,
સવારે ઉઠતાની સાથે જ કોઈને રેડી ચા મળી જાય ને એટલે થોડી કામ તેમ હોય તો બી મજા આવે.
That's it.
but
Na
uh,
maza dal.
but it has been a
Maza.
tradition that most days, if I'm in Ahmedabad, I make the tea in the morning.
Awesome. I think it's a learning for a lot of people who are watching us. Moving further, during the lockdown, did anyone cut your hair from your family member, or did you cut hair of your family members?
I must admit that my daughter, who is the dentist, gave me one of the
Uh-huh.
best, she has given me one of the best haircuts of my life. and
Wow.
Oh God,
and
I need her
and she's
tutorials,
told
I
me,
tell you.
and she has told me, okay, now you are not going to anybody to get your haircut. I will only do it for you. But she did a
Great.
Wow.
she,
So I
yeah. And I must
perfect.
admit that my other daughter also, she cut her husband's hair all the time, and her father-in-law's hair, and her brother-in-law's hair, and they did a wonderful job.
Superb, superb. So the new look, I always have seen you clean shaved, but this is the new look, and I think this, we shall thank to your daughter.
Yeah, absolutely. This is only because of them. I never had the courage to do it.
Great. And the last question, what will Samir J Shah will want to become in his next life?
Oh, okay.
I'm happy the way I am. I'd like to do that the same in my next life also. I'm really contented and
Perfect.
happy the way I am.
Great, great. I
Superb.
think that brings to
Went up
an
pretty well.
end to our amazing conversation.
Yes.
We are so thankful to you that you are here on our Weekend Talk and motivating and inspiring a lot of people like us who are watching you online.
Totally. And thank you so much, sir, for joining. It was so
I
nice
must,
talking to you.
I must also thank, I must admit that where the times flew by, I didn't realize it. I didn't realize
Yeah, I
that
think
we had such
we might
a,
have.
this thing.
Long, nice
Yeah, so
conversation. Yes.
I think
so
it's more
thank
than
you
an hour
so much.
now. It
Thank
Thank
was
you
you
so
our
so
much.
much
pleasure.
for everything. Thank you so much. And thank you to
Thank
all
you
the
for
viewers
joining.
also. Thank you to all the viewers. God bless. Take
Thank you
care.
so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Wow. So this is like a whole new life approach, a new industry that people can
True.
of going to joining or getting their children at least study this whole aspect. And thanks to Samir Bhai, who is so actively involved in getting this industry its due,
Correct.
which
So,
actually is not
yeah.
getting enough.
And it was so wonderful to get to understand this amazing industry.
Totally.
And thank you all of you who were constantly online and watching Samir Bhai and us
Yes.
in our Weekend Talk. So to let you all know that we are going on with this Weekend Talk series, and if you have some amazing ideas, if you have done some innovation, or you have some message to pass it on, do let us know. We are
Sure.
always here, and we carry this Weekend Talk every Saturday. So next Saturday as well, we are planning to get an amazing personality on board on WeCare. So we will like to see you all online on next Saturday again.
Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely, lovely time ahead.
Thank you. Good
Bye-bye.
night.
See
Good
you.
night.